Welcome to G Suite Training with Storing, Creating, and Sharing Made Simple. This is Kathleen Mansfield, and I'll be your digital learning specialist for this training. This is video tutorial part 4, how to share Google products. You're going to learn how to share your document, choosing sharing options, collaborating with others, and sharing with a link. So the first thing you want to do is go to your G Suite account and log in. Go to your Drive and you want to open the G Suite training document that we created in the last tutorial. With your G Suite products, you no longer need to download documents and attach them to an email. You can just share them. So sharing is caring. And so to practice this, you're going to come into your G Suite training doc and you're going to come to this upper right hand corner where it says share. And you're going to click that share button. And when you do, it's going to open this window. It says share with others. And there are lots of different ways to do this, but see where it says people enter names or email addresses. Now everybody within our domain, their name can auto-populate here. So I want you to share this with me. And everybody's account is their first dot last name at g.comelisd.org. So to share this with me, you're going to put my name, Kathleen. And do you see how it auto-populated right here? Kathleen.mansfield at g.comelisd. And it also auto-populated some other Kathleens that are not me. So you want this one. And when I select it, look, it added me in. Okay? You can add more people if you would like. And so now you've added the people that you want. Now, there are 3 different ways for you to share. So let's go over these. In this little section on the right here where the little pencil is, if you will click this, it will show you the 3 different ways that you can share your documents. Okay? The one at the bottom, we'll start at the bottom, is Can View. You can share a document with somebody, and if you select this option, Can View, this means that they can only see your document or product. They cannot put any comments on it. They cannot make any changes. They can only view it. If you select option 2, Can Comment, this means that the person can see the document. They can also click and add little sticky-like comments, but they cannot change any of the content or erase any parts of your work. The third way is Can Edit. Can Edit means that the person who receives it with this permission, it allows them to not only see it and make comments, but they can also go through and edit your document. They can change spelling. They can erase entire things or delete parts of your project. So you have these 3 different ways that you can share every time you share. So you want to be careful about who you're sending it to and how you want them to be able to share your document. Okay, so for me and for this document, I want you to select Can Comment. So you're going to select Can Comment and see the little comment comes up. I can make comments or suggestions. And once you've done that, you want to come down here to the bottom where it says Send. Click the Send button and it's going to send it to me. There we go. And at the top it says Shared with one person. So there you go. You have now shared with me. So that's one way to share. Can view, can comment, can edit. Okay? But what do you do if you want to share something with somebody that's not in our domain? Okay? You can do that by sharing a shareable link. So you do the same thing at the top. You can click Share. And right here, when this window opens, instead of filling in the names of people, you're going to come right here where it says Get Shareable Link. You're going to click on that. Okay. Now, what this means is that anybody who has a copy of this link can click on that link and it will take them to your document. So, there are several different ways to do this. And the default is set with anyone at Comal ISD with the link can view. This is great for all of your coworkers or your administrators, but this is not great if you're trying to share something with parents. Parents are not within Comal ISD. So what you want to do is click this little triangle and look, you've got a whole different view right here. So this says anyone at Comal ISD with the link can edit, can comment, can view, but look, we want to go outside Comal ISD. So as soon as we click on more, this comes up. You do not want to use public on the web. If you use public on the web, people can search this in a Google search and find your document, and you don't want that. So if you're sending something to parents, you want to use this one. Anyone with the link can access. No sign in is required. Okay, so we have put it that way if you're going to send it to parents. And then you save anyone, no sign is required, and then here are your permissions right here. Can view, can edit, however you want it. And you have it set to can view, so you want to save that. And now here's our link. Okay, so this means anyone with the link can view, and then we can copy. This link is really long, so we want to copy the link, and then you can go somewhere else and paste that link. So what you would probably want to do is copy the link, open an email letter, say parents, here is the link to a document telling you all about our field trip. Click the link below to get there. And then you can create a hyperlink, which we learned how to do in the last tutorial, to create this link. And so that way, parents can click the link and they will be able to view the document that you just created. So that's how to share with that. You would save that. You can click done. The last thing that you need to know is about collaborating on this document. If you share this document, and when you have shared this document, you allow somebody to edit it. If you share it with several people and allow them to edit, they can actually all get on the document with you at the same time, and all of you can be typing. So Google Documents supports up to 50 people editing and up to 200 people viewing the same document at the same time. So it's a very great tool, especially if you're working in your alignment teams or your grade level teams. And so this is a great tool to know how to use and how to collaborate. So this ends this video tutorial. Since we've learned how to share a document, choosing the proper sharing options, and collaborating with others for an app, and sharing with a link.